Let's dig a little deeper and break down Peter Senjay's work on becoming a learning organization. The third discipline is shared vision. A shared vision inspires people to make choices within the organization. The shared vision brings people together as a spur for people's creativity and inspires them to take action. It's not about one single person calling the shots. This may be easier said than done in certain sectors, but people will commit to a learning organization because they value this vision and believe in what it's trying to achieve. In other organizations, they may only commit because of the external imperative to keep their job. So having that shared vision cultivates engagement, and it brings a sense of ownership to teams and a readiness for change. It's a buy-in, and that buy-in results in better outcomes. You can also attract top talent by ensuring your company values and behaviors align with theirs. Look at making continuous learning and professional growth deliberate and considered part of your employment package.